So here is my most anticipated unboxing of the year. So I've been impatiently waiting for this because I've made this order during the launch time, but because of some shipping delays or something, it got delayed and I received it only today. So just like every year, it is having a wall calendar along with a disc calendar and Alicia Sousa 2025 Ultimate Planner. So this time also they're having a box of free goodies because I made this order during the launch time. So for the launch customers, they give every year a box of free goodies. So this year's desk calendar is absolutely lovely because it is having a separate habit tracker. Along with that, it's having a little storage space where we can keep bills, stickers, and all. So generally, what I'll do is like I'll take this desk calendar to my office and I'll keep it there. But this time, I don't feel like taking it to office and keeping it over there. So I'm planning to take my wall calendar to office and keep my desk calendar in my personal space. So now let's talk about the ultimate planner. So which is the most attractive thing in the entire box? As usual, there is a thank you card from Alicia, and there is a sticker book which is full of a lot of lovely stickers. So I've been keeping the stickers without using for so many years. But this year I'm gonna use it all. I'm planning to use everywhere a lot of stickers. There's a cute pocket planner. We can keep it in our tote bags or we can take it wherever we go. Now look at this beauty, the 2025 planner. So the cover looks absolutely stunning with a lot of flowers and a little girl who's hoping to have a better year. So inside it's almost similar like any other years. We have happy trackers. So there is a calendar to make notes of the meetings, then little space to write on our daily plans. So we can have the monthly highlights, yearly highlights. So it's absolutely the same like any other year. I think this year's planner cover is so beautiful and I'm so much in love with it. I'm so excited to use it and I just want to use a lot of stickers this time. So I've been keeping a lot of stickers in this year. I'm gonna use everything because I have enough of stickers in stock. And there is, I told you, there is one more calendar, which is a wall calendar. So I must say the way they pack things is so good. That is what is one thing which I love about Avisus Users product. The way they pack it, the way they deliver it to the customer is so lovely. And when it comes to wall calendar, each month they'll be having a card with a lot of artworks in it. So the cute illustrations in each page or each month is so lovely. I'm gonna take it to my office so that every month I'll have something motivating me to do better. So that's it about my wall planner. So when it comes to the last box is the box of goodies. So I don't know. I made this order during launch time. So they were giving some goodies, free goodies. So these are the goodies they have sent this year. So firstly, it's a pouch where we can keep all the stationery. It's a little bigger pouch when compared to the normal pouches. So it's transparent, so we can see what is inside. So then there is a cute tag along with it. Then there is a carry bag. I think I'm not going to use it. It's so lovely that I don't want to use it and spoil it. It's the quality of that carry bag is really good because it's not normal paper. It's something I felt like it is little waterproof also, and I'm definitely not going to use it. And this is a coffee coaster. It's not like any other coaster because coasters are generally little thin. This one is really thick, and the quality of the coaster is good. And then there are sticky notes as usual. So, but this time it is not like in paper finish. It is little transparent, and the material is also a little different and nice. So then this is the paint book they have shown during the launch time. So I think it deserves a separate unboxing. So I'll do that little later. So then there is actually a pen holder. So which we can use in where if you're reading a book or if you want to make some notes. So you can just keep it over the wrap it around the book and we can use it. It's also pretty useful instead of keeping it somewhere. We can just wrap it around with the book. So it's also good. So now look at this cute little boba notebook. So I think it's pretty travel friendly. We can take it anywhere and we can make notes of. So you can see a small straw along with it. It's actually not a straw, it's a pen. So this can be used along with the notebook. So it's useful. So this cute little tape is the last one. So these are the goodies they have sent this year. So, but I told that that main book deserves a separate unboxing. So I'll just show you what is inside this little paint book. So it's been covered properly. So let me just unpack it first. This was properly plastic wrapped, so it took me some time to unpack it. So this book is having a lot of pages, and each page is having a different picture. So at the end of the book, there is a place for keeping the brush. So you can see, like left side, there is watercolors. So we can use this brush to make use of the colors and paint the pictures. So I think it's gonna be a right activity when we are stressed or when we want to do something different. So I've been it's been a long while since I've done something like this. So I think I'm gonna make use of it. There is 20 sheets, yes. So this is a very good gift and it's nice. I must say, Alicia's team never lacks ideas in creating such wonderful freebies. So this is my seventh year of purchase, and each year this planner brings a lot of values to my life, and I want other people who have not tried also to give it a try. So wishing you a happy new year. Thank you. Bye bye.